Meaning of inventory control models. Inventory control model refers to mathematical models that help in buying the best quality of material under different situations. Supply can be of two types, one time i.e. static and the dynamic. Demand may also be of two types, certain and uncertain demand. When demand is totally known, it is called certain, and when risk is involved and it could not be totally known, it is called uncertain demand. Types of inventory control models. 1. Static model. 2. Dynamic model. 1. Static model. The static inventory model is one in which supply is one time. This model applies to the product for which only one order is made. This model is mostly used in case of perishable goods. Static models may be of two types. Static certain model, static risk model. Static certain model. Static certain model is inventory model used where supply is one time and quantity demanded is known. Static risk model. Static risk model is inventory model where the demand of product is not known and is simply probabilistic. The question that arises: how large should be one-time order when demand is uncertain? Types of static model. 1. Static certain models. 2. Static risk model. Characteristics of static inventory model. This model is related to a situation where one order is only possible and demand exists for specific time period. Exact demand is not known. Item needed for seasonal, religious or cultural events are come under this type of model. This model is mostly used in case of perishable products. This model applies to product for which only one order is made. This is a model in which the supply is one time. Conditions under static model: constant demand and constant lead time. When demand is constant and lead time is also constant. This is a condition where demand is known. Variable demand and constant lead time. When demand is variable but lead time is constant. Constant demand and variable lead time. When demand is known but lead time is variable. Variable demand and variable lead time. When demand is not known and lead time is also variable. Types of cost involved in static model. There are two types of cost under static model. 1. Shortage cost. The cost incurred due to reason that the product is in demand but could not be supplied. It is also known as understocking cost. 2. Surplus cost. When cost is incurred due to the product is in store but there is no demand.